Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to show people which game you are playing. For example, on the right side of my screen, you can see that this person is playing GTA 5 and this person is also playing GTA 5. This player person is playing roleplay, this player person is playing Palworld, right? So how you can find that, how you can do it over your account that what game you're playing. So you have to just go to the user setting, right? Once you go here, now you have to just go to the activity privacy and make sure this is on, right? So for example, here display current activity as a status message. So if this is off, then whatever games or whatever you are doing, nobody will come to know. So this should be on, right? Once you are here, then you have to go here, register games or game overlay. So once you are here in the register games, you can see that I play this kind of games, and usually Discord identify automatically. You don't need to do anything, but sometimes it doesn't, so you have to just click on add it and you can just add whatever game you are playing. So make sure that if you're playing GTA 5, then GTA 5 should be turned on in the background, right? By the way, it automatically identify, it happens rarely. Just make sure that you turn this on. This should be always on in the activity privacy. Then only other will able to find out which game you're playing. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.